You is used for other people and it is used for baby, animal or things. Okay, so you can see example in page number 20. I have a cat. It has 2 kittens. In the place of noun we are using it. It is a pronoun. It is used for animals, things or babies. The baby is crying. It needs milk. In the place of baby we used it. Okay, it is a pronoun. This is my car. It is new. In the place of thing we are using it. It is a pronoun. ఓకే, యు అనేది వేరే వాళ్ళ గురించి చెప్పడానికి మనం యూజ్ చేసే ప్రొనౌన్. ఇట్ అనేది బేబీస్కి, అనిమల్స్కి, థింగ్స్కి, ఈ బేబీ గురించి, అనిమల్ గురించి, థింగ్స్ గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడు యూజ్ చేసే ప్రొనౌన్ ఇట్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నెక్స్ట్ దే గేవ్ యూ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఆల్సో. సి, fill in the blanks with you, they or it. You, they or it. First one, dash is an interesting book. Dash is an interesting book. Book is a thing. So for thing, which pronoun you should use? It. For thing, book is thing. So for thing you should use it. Okay, it is an interesting book. Can you see? It is an interesting book. Write it. Next, dash should cross the road carefully. Dash should cross the road carefully. So for people we are using pronoun we. Second one is we. We should cross the road carefully. Okay. Next, in page number 21. Dash can play with Manisha and Jamal. Dash means here this person is telling to this person. వేరే వాళ్ళ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే మనం ఏ ప్రొనౌన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం? టు టెల్ అబౌట్ అదర్ పీపుల్ we will use you pronoun you. To tell about other people, you. So write you. You can play with Manisha and Jamal. Fourth one, look, dash is crawling. Baby. For babies, which pronoun we will use? Baby, it. It is crawling. Look, it. It is crawling. Okay. Next, fifth one, dash is my new puppy. Puppy means animal. For animal, which pronoun is used? It. We will use it for animal. So write, it is my new puppy. Sixth one, dash are my friends. Dash are my friends. They are my friends. Pronoun they. Pronoun they are my friends. Sixth one. Yeah, now go to next page children. Page number 22. Pronunciation. Pronunciation means in which way the word is pronounced. How we are pronouncing. ఎలా చెప్తున్నాం, చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఎలాంటి సౌండ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, వర్డ్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఎస్సి, ఎస్కే, ఎస్క్యూ. ఎస్సి, ఎస్కే, ఎస్క్యూ. You can see here SK words. Words starting with SK. Sound for S. Sound for K. K. Skill. Skill. Okay. Next. Skate. Sound for S. Sound for K. K. Skate. Sk. Skate. Okay. Next. Sketch. 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 Next. Skid. Id. Skid. Skid. Skull. Skeleton. Yes. Sound for yes. Sound for K. K. Sk. Sk. Like that you have to pronounce. Next. SQ words. Sound for yes. Sound for Q. Q. Squ. Okay. Squirrel. Square. Squeeze. squash, squeak, squat. Sound for S, sound for Q, Q, squirrel, squat, squeak, squash, squeeze, square. Okay, sound you observe properly and try to read these words. Okay children, 2 to 3 times you practice these words how to pronounce. Next, SC words. Sound for S, sound for C, K, but here C will not be pronounced. ikkada C అనేది మనం చెప్పం. When S, C are side by side in a word, we will pronounce only S. You can see C ని మనం ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయము. C సౌండ్ ఏంటమ్మా K, కానీ ఇక్కడ K అని ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయము. If any word, if S and C are side by side at the beginning, then C will not be pronounced, only S will be pronounced. You can see seen, seen, signs, scent, scissors. See here, C will be silent. Sound of C will be silent. Okay, C won't be pronounced. Scent, scissors, seen, signs, only S is pronounced. At the beginning of any word, if S and C are both are there, only S is pronounced and sound of C will be silent. Okay, that is K. Only C ani antam. Signs, seen, signs, scent, scissors. C ani antamu. Okay na? K ani anam. Okay, understood children? So C, sound of C will be silent and we will pronounce it as C. Seen, signs, scent, scissors. Like this you have to read this. You practice to pronounce these words children. Next they gave you spelling. Read these words. One and many. This is only singular form and plural form. Okay, you know one and many. One and many, that is only singular form and plural form. One unte girl. If there are so many, chala mandi girls unte girls. Okay, so you can see example. Girl, girls. Pen, pencil, pencils. School, schools. Shoe, shoes. Okay, these are singular form and plural forms. One and many. And next, now look at these pictures. Read the words. One sandwich, two sandwiches. One brush, three brushes. One bus, three buses. One box, two boxes. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, శాండ్విచ్ సిహెచ్ అయిపోయాక ఎస్ అని యాడ్ చేయలేదు. ఎస్ మాత్రమే యాడ్ చేయలేదు. వి డింట్ యాడ్ ఓన్లీ ఎస్, వి యాడెడ్ ఈఎస్. కానీ ఇక్కడ హియర్ ఓన్లీ ఎస్. గర్ల్, గర్ల్స్. ఇదే వర్డ్కి ఎస్ అనే యాడ్ చేసాం. స్కూల్స్, పెన్సిల్స్, షూస్. దెన్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ యాడెడ్ ఈఎస్? కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి ఓన్లీ ఎస్ అని యాడ్ చేసాము, కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి వి యాడెడ్ ఈఎస్. వై? Now let us see. Okay, so for some words we added only yes to make many. Plural form ki only yes add chesam. See, girl, one is girl, many means girls. Same word ikkada rasi, only yes we have added. Okay, but for some words you can see sandwiches, yes. Brushes, yes. Buses, yes. Boxes, yes. Yes అని యాడ్ చేసాం. Why? Because the words which end with CH, SH, S, SS, O and X takes ES at the end to form many. ఏ వర్డ్స్ అయితే ఎండ్లో లాస్ట్లో CH అని ఎండ్ అవుతాయో, okay, which words take CH at the last, at the end, సిహెచ్, ఏ వర్డ్స్కి అయితే ఎస్హెచ్ అని లాస్ట్లో ఉంటుందో, అండ్ కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి ఎస్ అని ఉంటుంది, అండ్ కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి ఎస్ అని ఉంటుంది, అండ్ కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి ఓ అని ఉంటుంది, అండ్ కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి ఎక్స్ అని ఉంటుంది. లాస్ట్లో వర్డ్ లాస్ట్ ఎండ్. ఈ వర్డ్స్ అన్నిటికీ కూడా ఇఫ్ ది వర్డ్స్ హ్యావ్ సిహెచ్, ఎస్హెచ్, ఎస్ఎస్, ఓ, ఎక్స్ at the end, so then we should add es to make many plural form. Remember this, children. Okay, don't forget. Other than this we can add only yes. Words end lo ivi lekapothe only yes add cheyali. Okay, if words doesn't have these letters at the end, we can add only yes to the word. But if words end with ch, sh, yes, o, x, word end lo ivi unnaya ledha ani chudali meeru. You should see whether word is ending with these letters or not. You see, and then if word ends with any of these letters, then you should add es to make many. That is plural form. మెనీ అంటే ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్, అంటే చాలా ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏమంటాము అని. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ వర్డ్స్ ఎండ్ విత్ దీస్ లెటర్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ఈఎస్. ఇఫ్ వర్డ్స్ డజంట్ ఎండ్ విత్ దిస్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ ఓన్లీ ఎస్. ఏమన్నా వర్డ్స్ ఈ లెటర్స్తో ఎండ్ అయితే ఈఎస్ అని యాడ్ చేయాలి. మెనీ రాసేటప్పుడు ఈ లెటర్స్తో ఎండ్ అవ్వకపోతే దెన్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఎస్. ఓకే, లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ యూ సమ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్, చిల్డ్రన్. లెట్ us see that. In page number 23, see examples. One potato, O. Word is ending with O. So, yes. Yes, dress. One dress. Yes. So, it takes yes. D-R-E. Yes, E-S. E-S ani add cheyali. Okay. In the same way they gave you exercise. Now add yes or es to these nouns to make many. Cross end lo emundi, which is the letters end yes, CRO, yes. If yes it is there, we should write es, CRO, yes. Now to make many, CRO, yes, ES. Understood? Because at the end yes is there. See, yes unte es ani rayali. Okay, children. Next, 2. Second one is hug. Noun is hug. H-U-G. Hug. G అని ఉందా ఇక్కడ? No. There is no G. So, you can write H-U-G-S. Hugs. Okay, G. Only yes we can add. Next, third one, fox. So now plural form means many. Fox, which is the end letter, which is the last letter, X. So is there X here? Yes. So you have to take ES. F-O-X. Yes, foxes. Okay, you have to see the end letters, and if it is there, then es. If it is not here, then you can write only yes. Understood? Next, fourth one, buffalo. So which is the last letter? O. Is there O here? Yes, it is O. If O is there at end, you have to write ES. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. Same word you have to write here and add ES. Okay, children? Like that only you check. You check next one also and write. Fifth one, yes. Yes is there. So you have to add ES. Next, bench, CH. You have to add ES. Write bench and add ES. Next, truck, K. So you should not add. K is not here. So add only S. Truck. Many trucks. Trucks. Okay. Understood? Next. Dish. SH, which is the end. SH. SH. See, SH is there. So you have to write ES. DISH. DISH. Many. DISH. Yes. Dishes. Understood? Yes. Now dictionary skills. Next, dictionary skills. Alphabetical order. See, they gave you some words. Wire, side, jar, park, gold, baby. We can write these words in the alphabetical order, that is from A to Z. Now look at the first letter of each word. So the alphabetical order is. They gave you words, children. So look at the first letter. You have to write these words in alphabetical order. Okay. That is from A to Z. Baby. First letter is B. First letter is B. So in alphabets, B will come first. After A, B. Okay. You have to write baby. Next. G. Gold. Gold. Next, jar. After G, J. Jar. After J, P. 4. Park. Next, fifth one, side. At last, W. Wire. అండర్స్టూడ్ అంటే ఆల్ఫబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ ఆల్ఫబెట్స్లో ఎలా వస్తాయో లెటర్స్ అలాగే చూసుకొని మీరు కూడా కరెక్ట్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయాలి ఓకేనా సో ఇన్ పేజ్ నంబర్ 24 in the same way they ask you to arrange in page number 24 also children they gave you some words and they asked you to arrange in alphabetical order alphabets you know alphabets right so in alphabetical order you have to arrange they gave one example also so which see cat see you observe first letter C G A H S L M E P W so only observe first letter now which is the first letter in these letters in alphabets which will come first letter so ant A that is 1 okay 1 so in alphabets A will be first so that 1 next after A there is no letter B there is no word starting with B next C here it is C so this will be 2 okay next is there any D no E yes here it is E so this is 1 2 3 like this in order wise you have to see and write first letter next E after F no G see here G it is first letter G so this is 4 1 2 3 4 next G H yes here it is H so write 5 next I no J no K no L yes here it is so 1 2 3 4 5 6 understood so like that you have to see the first letter and then write numbers correct order in alphabetical order you have to write next writing write 5 sentences about your school you have to write 5 sentences about your school use these hints for help you try to write this children the name of my school is what is the name of your school you write next it is in where it is place you write place next this school has what your school has you have to write like this school has library you can write this school has library next it has dash and dash it has playground and garden you can write It has playground and garden. Next, my teacher's name is. What is your teacher's name? You can write. You should write that. Next, word bank. Write the new words that you have learnt in this story. We have learnt a story about Neha, right? That is my first day at school. In this story, whatever you have learnt new words. In this story, whatever you have learnt new words, you should write there. Okay, you should write near word bank. In page number 24, you have to write new words. Whatever you have learnt in the story. My first day at school. Write new words there. Okay, children. This is all about our chapter 3. That is my first day at school. Second chapter, my first day at school. Okay, I hope you all understood the lesson, that is story and also grammar part, children. Please complete all the exercise whichever I have given you, whichever I have told you to do. Please complete it by next class. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, that is my first day at school, if you have any doubts on the story, if you have any doubts in the grammar part, we will discuss about all those things in our next interaction class. That's all for today, children. Thank you.